Hello and welcome to the official first day of this course on MATLAB programming for numerical computations. Today I'm going to give you a small help video on how to submit assignments. The first assignment, the assignment for module 1, has been posted on the web. And you will see that there are two assignments that are posted. The first one is the place where I have posted the assignment problem and where you will also submit your MATLAB codes. Over here, some of the results that we generate in the MATLAB code are going to be inserted in the spaces that are provided. So first let's go and look at the problem statement. Okay, so here this is going to be the format in which we will put all our assignments. First one is we will have a problem statement. So you can click over here to take a look at the problem statement. Now we have 4 assignment problems. The text in red tells you what should be the name of the file. These are the files that you need to upload. I'll come to that in a few minutes. Okay, so for the first problem you have to upload a file called demoproblem.m. Save it as demoproblem.m itself, not with any other name. Likewise, you'll have to do the same thing for each and every of the assignment problem. So the first problem is something that I will solve over here and I will show you how to do this. The first problem is for x in the range of 0 to 1 in steps of 0.1, we have to calculate x multiplied by e to the power minus 2x. We then have to find out what value of f of x is the maximum value. We then find out the x value at which f of x is maximum. This x value is reported in the variable result. Okay, so let's go to MATLAB and take a look at the file. What I have done already is I've created all the 4 files that are required to solve the 4 problems. The first problem is the demo problem. So let me run this and show you. Okay, so if I type result, I will see that the result is 0.5. That's the result that I need to provide in the quiz assignment 1 section. That's the second link. We'll come to that in a minute. Now, if you're using MATLAB online, this is what you may do instead. In that, I will create a file. So let's say edit demo problem assignment 1 problem 1 x equal to 0, 0.1 to 1. F of x is x multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by x. Okay, now x is a vector and this guy is also a vector, so the product between the two vector should be element by element multiplication. So we need to have a dot star over here. So we can say max f idx equal to max f. That will give us the max value of f of the vector f as well as the index at which that occurs. Variable result equal to x idx. So idx is the index at which f is maximum and x idx will extract the value of x at which that maxima in f occurs. We run this. Okay, so when we run, you can see that the result we get is 0.5. Okay, so now that we have completed this problem, we need to download it on our local drive. So I will highlight this and click on this download link. Once I click on that, the file will get downloaded. I can click on show in Finder and we can look at the files. So these were, if you recall, the files that I had generated using my desktop version of MATLAB, and this was the file from the online version. So let me just rename this as desktop. Okay, we won't submit that file. and this I will rename it as demo problem. So this is the file that we want to submit, and create a zip file. Okay, so now that zip file is created, I need to go to the next step. Okay, so now that we have the zip file, let's look at what we need to do next. What we do need to do next is to upload the zip file on Google Drive and then share this file and post the file ID in the text box below. What that means is I'll go to drive.google.com, create a new directory called MATLAB Assignments. In this new directory, I will drag and drop this assignment.zip, assignment1.zip. Once that gets uploaded, I will right click on this and click on share. Okay, when this comes up, click on this advanced button, and you need to make this not private, but it should be shareable with anyone who has a link. So click on share with anyone who has the link will get access, no sign in required. Okay, and save this. Now you click as done over here, right click and click on get link. Once you get link, you can copy the link that is provided and open a text editor and paste this link over here. What we need is that part that comes after the equal to sign. So we need to copy that part and paste it in the text box that is provided over here. So let's go and do that. So we have copied it. We'll just do Control V and we will click on submit. Okay. Once we click on submit, we will get something that says submission succeeded. So we have completed the first two steps, that is to do the assignment and to upload the zip file in the Google Drive. Okay, these two steps are not enough. What we also need to do is to submit the results that we get in the results section. The way you can do that is you can click on the link over here, or there is another way to do this. On this side, okay, you can click on this quiz assignment 1 submit MATLAB results link over here. Both these links are one and the same. So you will see that for each of the problems that we have, okay, we are expected to report the results. So what for this particular problem, what we needed to submit was the value of result. So let me just type this and get this value. Okay, I will just copy this, Control C, and paste it over here. Okay, and I'll just go to the bottom, and once I have put all the values of the results that I want, I can go and click on submit answers. Okay, for this particular assignment, just to help you guys get acquainted with the way we submit, we also have the check answers option that we have allowed. So if you click on check answers, you will see that the score is 1 out of 4 because we have submitted only one problem and we have got 1 out of 1 point. Okay, which means that this answer is correct. You can click on submit answers. Once you do that, your answer is submitted. You can then go back to the course page and continue viewing the course. Okay, so to summarize, what is needed is first you go on and click this assignment 1 link, download the problem statement, do the problems, create a zip file and upload it on Google Drive. And finally, the most important step that you need to follow is to submit your results in this results section so that we'll be able to grade you appropriately. Without this step of submitting the MATLAB results in the results section, you would not get due credit for the work that you have done in the assignment. Thank you, and I hope you'll have a lot of fun doing the assignments in this MATLAB course. Bye.